Introduction 1.1 The fascination behind Wendy's barbecue sauce. Wendy's barbecue sauce has long held an enigmatic appeal for fast food aficionados worldwide. The sweet, smoky, and tangy concoction has become something of a culinary icon, spurring intrigue about its origin and preparation. 1.2 Wendy's, a brief history. Before delving into the sauce, it is essential to understand the context. Wendy's, founded by Dave Thomas in 1969, has consistently endeavored to distinguish itself through quality food and unique flavor profiles. What makes Wendy's barbecue sauce unique? 2.1 The flavor profile of Wendy's barbecue sauce. The sauce's distinctive blend of flavors has secured its popularity. Its concoction intermingles sweet molasses, the zest of apple cider vinegar, the smoky hint of hickory smoke, and a balance of spices, resulting in a robust, multifaceted flavor. 2.2 Unique ingredients used. This memorable taste can be attributed to an array of ingredients. Aside from the typical components of a barbecue sauce like vinegar and sugar, Wendy's incorporates ingredients like pineapple juice and chili pepper, thereby adding dimensions to the taste. The manufacturer of Wendy's barbecue sauce. 3.1 Behind the scenes. Who actually makes Wendy's barbecue sauce? So who is the magician behind this irresistible potion? The answer lies with the chain's dedicated suppliers who are tasked with producing the sauce in large quantities while preserving its unique flavor. 3.2 The role of suppliers in maintaining quality. These suppliers are handpicked for their commitment to quality, ability to meet Wendy's stringent standards, and deliver consistent product outputs, thereby playing a pivotal role in maintaining the integrity of Wendy's barbecue sauce. The production process of Wendy's barbecue sauce. 4.1 Ingredient sourcing. One aspect of the sauce's creation that cannot be understated is ingredient sourcing. Each component, from the robust hickory smoke to the sweet molasses, is selected with care to ensure the perfect blend. 4.2 Production. The process of production is as meticulously overseen as the sourcing. It requires careful measurement and mixing to create the perfect balance of flavors, after which the sauce is pasteurized and cooled before being packaged. 4.3 Packaging and distribution. Once cooled, the sauce is packaged into individual serving packets. These are then dispatched across Wendy's outlets, ready to complement your favorite meal. Ensuring consistent quality of Wendy's barbecue sauce. 5.1 Quality control measures. Consistency is crucial in maintaining the sauce's esteemed reputation. It is achieved through rigorous quality control measures, ensuring each batch meets the exacting specifications laid down by Wendy's. 5.2 Continual taste tests and adjustments. Taste tests form an integral part of quality control. Regular taste testing sessions are held to ascertain that each batch stays true to the iconic flavor. If a discrepancy is found, adjustments are made promptly. The role of Wendy's barbecue sauce in Wendy's menu items. 6.1 Importance of barbecue sauce in Wendy's signature dishes. The barbecue sauce isn't just a condiment, it's an integral part of Wendy's identity. The sauce features prominently in numerous Wendy's signature dishes, enhancing their flavor profiles and ensuring a unique dining experience. 6.2 Balancing taste and health in Wendy's barbecue sauce. In an era increasingly conscious of dietary choices, Wendy's has managed to balance its barbecue sauce's robust flavor with nutritional considerations, keeping sodium and sugar content within reasonable limits without compromising on taste. Consumer perception of Wendy's barbecue sauce. 7.1 Popularity among customers. The popularity of Wendy's barbecue sauce is evident from the customer demand it enjoys. Patrons often purchase extra servings, and the sauce often receives high praise in customer reviews. 7.2 Customer reviews and feedback. Customer feedback has played a substantial role in shaping the sauce's evolution, with Wendy's constantly tweaking its recipe based on customer preferences and suggestions. Wendy's barbecue sauce in home kitchens. 8.1 The market for Wendy's barbecue sauce outside of Wendy's outlets. Interestingly, Wendy's barbecue sauce has found a place beyond the fast food chain's counters. Many fans have taken it home, adding it to their personal culinary adventures. 8.2 DIY replications. The quest for the perfect homemade Wendy's barbecue sauce. The sauce's widespread popularity has inspired many DIY enthusiasts to recreate it at home. Numerous online recipes aim to replicate the distinct flavor, albeit with varying degrees of success. Conclusion 9.1 The enduring appeal of Wendy's barbecue sauce. The enduring appeal of Wendy's barbecue sauce lies in its unique flavor, the meticulous production process, and Wendy's commitment to quality. It has become a defining element of the Wendy's dining experience. 9.2 The future of Wendy's barbecue sauce. With its steadfast popularity and Wendy's continuous commitment to maintaining its unique flavor, it's safe to say that Wendy's barbecue sauce will remain a beloved choice for fast food enthusiasts for years to come.